guys, welcome back to another video. Now, it seems like a lot of people want YouTube channels but don't have them, so I'm going to be making this video about how to create your own YouTube channel, just like me. And I'll create myself a test YouTube channel in the process. So first, open up YouTube. Now, I have YouTube installed as an app on my computer. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to do this, but I'm just going to open up YouTube real quick. And here it comes. Just going to load up stuff. Gotta wait for it. Yes, I do like gaming and airplanes and computers and a lot of this stuff. But what you're going to want to do is go to your, account, and then go to settings, and then go to add or manage your channels. Click this. These aren't actually my channels, just different channels I can switch to. Because being some of those, use this computer and some other channel. Create a channel. You can click create. You click create a channel. You open up accounts.google.com, and then you can add channel name. So I'm going to do Command Pro MC Test. Actually, I'm going to name it. Yeah, Command Pro MC Test. And then you're going to understand this. This means it's just saying you'll have your own settings and your own search history and watch history in YouTube. This account's only accessible on YouTube. It's going to be a brand account, obviously. But then on the front, you can click Learn More. So bring it to privacy.google.com/whatever, blah, blah, blah. Then just, I'll have to create a Google brand account. Not a real Google account, though. Now, click Create. And then, perfect. There we go. I got my new channel, Command Pro MC Test. Now I'm going to click here to add a icon. So I can just click upload real quick. Yeah, I have lots of screenshots and stuff, obviously. Obviously I have lots of screenshots, so I'm just going over to my pictures real quickly right here. And I have Command Pro MC Face. I'm going to edit this, so... Okay, great. And now that I have my image, Command Pro MC Face test.png, I'm going to click it. It's going to ask me to get it, so great. Yeah, I aligned this one. I probably should move the test up a little bit, whatever. Hit done. And I can upload one of these if I want to. I'll just upload my banner. Oh, but I gotta change it up or something. I don't know what the deal is. Like, it's gonna be 2048 by whatever. Don't know why this is. But I want like my be viewable on all devices. It's like you should probably make it so that the viewable on all devices thing is your logo here. So that's perfect for me. I can click done. Perfect. Close it. Why is this red? Don't know why it's red. You can also upload a watermark. So I'm gonna do Command Pro MC Face Test. This will appear on your video. You can make it be whatever. I'll just have it be the entire video. You can do a custom start time at the end. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back on the entire video. Go to basic info. So I'll do my test channel. See my main one here. That was perfect to get my link. And I don't really. Okay, let's see. Main channel. And then I'll do my website. But I have a new website if you were wondering. I'll make a video about that another time. So I can publish. And saving my changes, use this little bar up here, and perfect. Command Pro MC test. Okay, over here you can go to layout. Like I'm never really gonna make these. I'll do uploads and popular uploads. Don't really want that. What else? Like you can go to publishing this, and you can go to monetization, copyright. So I guess for copyright takedown requests. I just want to use your copyrighted content. You can do this. You can go to these different things like with filters. I don't know why that automatically puts that on. You can do health or review, analytics. Yeah, I just created this, so of course I didn't get any views. I got playlists, content, dashboard. I have literally nothing here. And also I can go to some feedback. I can go to settings here though. You can change your units, country of residence. Oh. Select United States. Keywords. Just type in Command Pro MC. And I don't know why, but it seems like people always search this instead of my name, probably because like certain things. You can go to upload defaults. So I'll do whatever. Go to advanced real quick. My different things, like I'll do this because yeah, none of mine has. And then I'll just hold all comments for review. Actually, I'll just disable comments on my videos. You have permissions here, like I guess you got other people. I'll add I'll add a moderator and approved users. I'll add moderators and approved users. I can actually set this off, so all this stuff. I'm gonna save it now. And you can upload a video or go live. You can double click here, create. If you go to help, you can get help, I guess. And then if you go here to account, you can go to your channel. It'll bring me to my channel. I have nothing quite yet. I'm not going to subscribe to myself. Obviously, I have main channel and my website's here. See main channel and website. So I can go back here to my main channel. And that's it. Oh, I also signed into my own account. Now I can go back here and then go back to my YouTube studio page. And I'm going to add myself as a moderator and all that because, you know, I'm me. Let's go here. It's just, I'm going to add myself as a moderator. My main account. I don't want to add myself as a hidden user. Perfect. I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to do some other stuff, but that's it for this video so far. Like, you can turn it off now, but there's also a little bit more. Like, if you want to see how to install YouTube as an app and stuff. So, to install YouTube as an app, I said on an ad at the same time. For some reason, I keep doing that. What you do is you go to Google Chrome, or I'm pretty sure you can also do this in Microsoft Edge. I'll show you. I have a few pages open. But, you just go to youtube.com. And then there'll be a little option right here. Mine says open with. If you click sorry, I'm gonna sign into my regular account. I've never used this account before. It's just giving me random recommendations. I'm gonna blur those out actually. But go to YouTube.com. The icon will appear right here. It'll say install YouTube. Just click it and then click install. And if that doesn't appear, go here and then go to more tools and then create shortcut. You can name it whatever. Check open as window and press create. It'll install as an app. But I'm going to cancel because I already have it. Because I just don't really want that to play. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike for that. But then also, here's how you can do this in Microsoft Edge. Let me just Edge. Drag it into the right monitor. I have two monitors. So press got it. Whatever blog boss. Okay, turn it on. Perfect. Now I got bytes. Yes, I'm using this host. Asus computer. I mean, on an Asus computer. I have an Asus computer, by the way. I'll make a video about that sometime soon. Probably, maybe. Oh, don't look at this. I'm gonna blur out all this news, but on here you can go to YouTube.com, and then you can click right here, I think. And somewhere near here, you can just have more bytes. I'm just gonna close this. You can go to here, more tools. This is based on Chromium. And then,
I know, but I was like,
I've never done this before. To find the thing, apps, and then you install it. Or maybe you go to more tools. Sorry, I already have this installed. But I can actually click apps and then open in YouTube, which is very fancy. I'll just open it here. Which for some reason it's signed out. You can do this again. Apps. And then look, you click, right here, install the site as an app. But then I can also just open up my YouTube app. Let me show you. YouTube. Button open. Okay, perfect. You go right here. Yeah, but you just install the site as an app, and I'll open this in YouTube right now. I don't know why it's glitching, but that's how you do that in Microsoft Edge. And also, to get to the account page faster, you can just go to youtube.com/channel_switcher. And look, there's my new channel right here. No subscribers, obviously. But, actually, I'm probably going to be deleting this channel. Actually, I don't know what I'm going to be doing with this channel, but something. Now I'm going to just end this video now, so see you in the next one. Bye.